Hello kids, today we are going to learn number counting and drawing. There are colors, these are colors. We have 5 colors. At first we should know the color's name. This is yellow color. What color is this? This is yellow color, yellow color, yellow color. This is red color. What color is this? This is red color, red color. This is orange color. What color is this, kids? This is orange color, orange color, orange color. And this is green color. What color is this? This is green color, green color, green color. This is brown color, brown color, brown color, brown color. Let's start. Yellow color, yellow color. One, one. Red color, red color. Two, two. Orange color, orange color. Three, three. Green color, green color, green color. Four, four. Brown color, brown color, brown color. Five, five. Green color, green color. Six, six. Orange color, orange color. Seven, seven. Brown color, brown color, brown color. Eight, eight. Red color, red color, red color. Nine, nine. Yellow color, yellow color, yellow color. 10. This is 10. Orange color, orange color, orange color. 11. 11. Brown color, brown color, brown color. 12. 12. Red color, red color, red color. 13. 13. Yellow color, yellow color, yellow color. 14. 14. 14. Green color, green color, green color. 15. 15. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Let's close the video.